Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the 92k.us Robux scam. So as you can see right here, we have the debate, the illusion of progress, the exploitation phase, and essentially we have the whole process here. So we start with the bait. The scam kicks off with an irresistible promise, free Robux, bold claims, plaster the homepage, and shouting phrases like earn thousands of Robux instantly, available on Xbox, PlayStation, and mobile. And the process seems simple. Just enter your Roblox username and then select your platform. This setup seems familiar and harmless, which is exactly why it works. So people who fall for this is mostly kids who play Roblox, and you also have the illusion of progress after entering details. The website offers encouraging updates to keep you engaged. A message like you're one step away from receiving for 4,500 Robux, blah blah blah. And basically it just goes on. The scam reveals this clause. To finalize the process, you're required to complete a series of tasks, which might include filling out surveys, downloading third-party apps, joining giveaways, and a lot more. So it also has a fake dashboard. So to sustain the illusion, 92k.us provides a dashboard where your supposed Robux balance increases. It's sleek, convincing, and entirely fake. So the scam becomes undeniable when you attempt to withdraw your Robux. At this stage, the site either stops responding or redirects you to additional tasks or another page or other ads. So please do not enter your username or do not go to this site. It is clearly a harmful website, 92k.us. So it also has an exploiting desire, pressuring action, normalizing the process, and a lot more. So if you did this, what you can do is just to cut ties immediately exit the account or your the web page. You can also enable two-factor authentication. You might want to change also your passwords, and you want to report the scam. And as you can see right here, malwaretips.com also said that you should not fall for the fake 92k.us Robux giveaway scam, and they also go in depth here on why is it a scam. And please do not fall for this scam. It is a very dangerous one since it can retrieve your personal information. And that is it. That is the review on 92k.us. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.